How to change your Ticketmaster account's password. In this video, I will show you how can you easily change your password for Ticketmaster account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open the Ticketmaster application or simply navigate to the official website of it. After that, you will be directed to the sign in page. So here if you already have an account, enter your email and password. Now if you don't remember your password, simply click on forgot password option. Once you do so, you need to provide your email or phone number where Ticketmaster will be sending verification code using which you will be able to change your password. After you have provided the verification code, you will see the option of reset password. After that, now you need to create a new password for your Ticketmaster account. So that's it. That is how easily you can change your password for Ticketmaster account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.